You will learn Bitcoin ATM near me how to use them. I will describe most popular Bitcoin ATM provider CoinFlip ATMs that has a growing network of over 1100 plus locations nationwide. CoinFlip ATM price for Bitcoin is based on Tradeblock XBX index's market price of Bitcoin. More on this later. What is CoinFlip? CoinFlip is a leading Bitcoin ATM operator in the world with 24/7 customer support and low fees. CoinFlip ATM. If you own or operate a store, you can earn passive income and more foot traffic by hosting a CoinFlip ATM. Due to increasingly high mining fees, our minimum purchase amount is $20 per transaction. CoinFlip will continue to batch transactions to ensure low fees. Following is the CoinFlip Bitcoin ATM daily limits. Registration is necessary depending on how much crypto you're looking to buy or sell. For amounts up to $900 limit, you'll have to input your cell phone number and first/last name. You will also need to type your first and last name on the ATM screen. For privacy, I would not use your real phone number and first/last names. You can use Google Voice phone number to get the verification code or other virtual phone numbers. I will provide a link to how to get a Google Voice virtual phone number. However, for amounts between $901 and $2,995, registration is required. The ATM will ask you to put your state-issued ID up to the camera followed by a selfie in front of the camera. Once registered, you will not have to register again. If you want to purchase more than $900 into Bitcoin, I would actually use a real exchange like Binance US for US customers or Binance.com everyone else. I would not pay 6.99% fees to purchase Bitcoin from your hard-earned fiat. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. It helps YouTube users to discover this video and help this channel grow.